Hi everyone, it's Georgie. Such a lovely day here on the Lincolnshire East Coast, so I thought it'd be a perfect time to video this Pemberton Marlow that's recently arrived. So the Marlow is a popular model for Pemberton. It's known for its open plan living, contemporary decor and quality features. With it being a Pemberton, it has been built to a residential standard, which means the thicker insulation in the walls, the ceiling and the floor, enhanced thermal performance and also noise reduction. You will be comfortable in this holiday home whatever the weather outside. So it's priced very competitively and absolute bargain if you ask me, at just £37,995. We do have finance options available and we would be happy to offer a part exchange if you are already a caravan owner. Here at Blue Anchor Leisure we have a choice of 18 holiday parks, all a little bit different. They are in Skegness, Winthorpe, Ingoldmells, Chapel St Leonard's and also Mablethorpe. It's always really good to come and have a chat with one of us. I'd be really grateful if you chose me, as I would love to help you on your journey into your new lifestyle of holiday home ownership. My number is at the bottom of the page. Thank you for watching and please give me a call as soon as you can.